So last weekend was supposed to be nice, easy trail ride day, go for a swim. Didn't quite go as planned, got a little dirty. So then, because of that, the rad is all plugged up. So I guess I'll give it a quick wash and see if I can get the rad clean. Not a very clean job, but just a quick rinse. Now, it made some difference, but not enough. So what I'm gonna do, this is AC coil cleaner. Just gonna spray it in here. Sit for a couple minutes. Should foam up. Low pressure water, it should just blow all the stuff right out. Aluminum cleaner works really well too. And looks like I could go again. You just keep doing that until it's clean. It's a lot easier if you take the bike apart and get to the rad, but it's not too bad, so I think I can get it like this.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
And there you go. Should be ready to go for the weekend. Don't know where we'll go, don't know where we'll be. We know we're gonna have a good time.